guys? I'm back again, filming for Casey again. It's Wekfest 2018. Yesterday was AutoCon. We didn't get any footage there, but this is the big show. This is the one indoors at CenturyLink Event Center. Yeah, I mean, if you guys could see, and you will see here in a second, the crazy amount of cars here. We have low riders, which I never get to see. We have SUVs, we never get to really see at most of these shows, but mostly everything. Again, it's bags, it's static, it's the nicest wheels you can possibly find, and it's just a ton of fun. Not to mention, it always catches my eye, but Bo and his 2JZ over there. It's ridiculous. But yeah, it's right now we're about to line up for the drivers meeting. We're gonna go check all that stuff out. But the line outside for all the spectators, and for maybe some of you that didn't bring your cars, that just came to check out the show with us, I know the line's insanely long and it's kind of fun to watch. But we're about to head to the drivers meeting. A lot of cool cars, and you're definitely going to be able to check it out, especially all the SUVs and the crazy lifted stuff that you're going to be able to kind of get a taste of here at Wekfest.